You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, the name of this brand, this company name. If you want to learn more names from fashion, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. We've got tons more that you need to learn about. The French pronunciation here, it obviously comes from French, is Acmé, Acmé de la vie. Acmé de la vie. De la vie means of the life, of life. In English, if you cannot pronounce French perfectly, you can say it as Acmé de la vie. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.